So friends, let's make this delicious, super easy orange cake. Let's see the ingredients. So here I've taken 3 slices of orange and just cut them up into halves. This is half a cup of freshly squeezed orange juice. You can also use the ready-made juice. This is 1 teaspoon of orange zest, half a cup of melted butter, 2 eggs at room temperature preferably, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, you can also substitute it with regular sugar, and 1 1/4 cup of flour, which is maida, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So these are all the ingredients that we are going to use. Here I've lined my loaf tin with some baking paper. You can also use a regular tin. Now first, to a bowl, I'm going to add the sugar and the eggs. And we're going to whisk this till all of the sugar dissolves. Now you can use a electrical whisk, or I'm just using a regular whisk, and just whisk it till all of the sugar dissolves. This should take you about a minute or so. So it becomes nice and smooth. Now I'm going to add this orange zest and mix it well. So for the zest, all I did is I took a cheese grater and just grated the peel of the orange. Now I'm going to add my melted butter. Mix that in well. Now we're going to add the orange juice. Mix that in well too. This would be a good time to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to add in the baking powder. And we're going to sift in the flour. By sifting in the flour, you get a very smooth consistency. There are no lumps. So this helps in the process of getting a nice smooth batter. And now just fold in the flour with a spatula till it becomes nice and smooth. And you can see now that the mixture or the batter is really nice and smooth. Now I'm going to pour this into my prepared loaf tin. And see that you have enough space above the batter or in the tin, because then this cake is going to rise because of the baking powder. So don't overfill your cake tin. Now I'm just going to put the orange slices. You can put 3 whole circles of the slices, but I found this looking little even more prettier. And it also depends on the shape of your cake tin. And now I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of sugar for that lovely caramel effect, as you will see later on in the video. And we're going to bake this in our preheated oven for 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. And there your cake is all ready. Let it cool down a little for about 5 to 10 minutes. And what I did in the last 5 minutes of baking, I just put on my grill function, which gave this lovely caramelized look for the cake. So if you have a grill function, you can do that. And now we're just going to cut into the cake, and you'll see the lovely pieces of orange, the orange zest. And my entire home has this beautiful aroma of this lovely orange cake. It's super delicious. You must try out this. It's really, really amazing. So do give this recipe a try, guys. Thanks for watching.
Well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you'll get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.